Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Fatih Zulmaula. My NPM is 0621015731. I am from class 2B Public Health Pekalongan University. I will presentation about community participation in fisher and reducing water pollution in beach area Manado, North Sulawesi by Hairil Nur Siregar from Journal of Socio-Technology, Volume 13, Number 1. Preliminary. Manado City is known as the beauty of the beach. However, the condition of the city Manado now is not as beautiful as it used to be because of the reclamation of the beach to build buildings, hotels, offices, malls, and restaurants along the coastline. The impact of this reclamation, many people were active and will indirectly throwing trash on the beach. The purpose of the study is to determine the effort of community participation in reducing seawater pollution in the coastal area of Manado. Pollution theory. Heavy metal. Heavy metal have been long known as an element that has a very potential pollution and has the ability to accumulate in human organs. In fact, not a little that causes death. Oil spill. Floating oil is dangerous for seabirds who like to swim on the surface of the water. This causes of the fish body to be covered in oil. Rubbish. Many animals that live in the sea consume plastic because not infrequently the plastic found in the sea will look like food for marine animals. Pesticide will up in body tissues is toxic, so it can affect the central nervous system. Research methods. To find the main elements that are in accordance with the problem formulation item, objective and benefit to research, qualitative research methods are used. The data collection techniques by conducting interview, documentation techniques, and observation. The research person are communities and fishermen living on the coast, LSM, and local government. The research location is on the coast of the city of Manado. Result and discussion. Plastic waste, cardboard, and cans that are dumped on the shores of the city of Manado causes pollution due to the waste that is thrown away by the people of the city of Manado. The coastal reclamation are in the city of Manado called the boulevard causes several physical and biological problems to be very concerning for the land and sea ecosystem. From the result of interview and observation, it can be stated that coastal reclamation has more negative impact, such as the extension of the continuity of marine life, frequently flooding in coastal area when it rains. Interesting temperatures felt by the people of the city of Manado. Community and fisherman perception. Public perception is selective about the environment, considering that very human beings often get sensory stimulation as well as from various beings that exist in his environment. For that, people will be selective from important stimuli. Some people have serious attention to waste, considering garbage is a major factor that must be resolved. However, there are also people who think that waste is a government matter, so it is not as important or main thing to be resolved. Community and fisherman participation. The way that can be done is to carry out supervision, reprimand, and cooperation in handling waste. One of the efforts made is to separate organic and inorganic waste, while the government can make regulation and sanction for people who throw garbage the waste on the beach in Manado City. Together, they clean the environment from garbage. This community group established a waste bank called Rich Bunaken needs beautiful, orderly, and healthy. The waste bank only by plastic waste that it is destroyed or reclaimed with a machine. Kesimpulan, reklamasi pantai di Manado telah membawa dampak positif maupun negatif bagi masyarakat. Banyak dampak positif yang dirasakan oleh masyarakat, terutama dari sisi peningkatan nilai dan kualitas ekonomi di kawasan pesisir. Akan tetapi, tidak hanya dampak positif saja yang dirasakan masyarakat, ada dampak negatifnya pula, salah satunya masalah sampah. Ada beberapa persepsi tentang sampah yang ada di masyarakat dan nelayan di Manado. Sebagian masyarakat dan nelayan memiliki persepsi bahwa sampah dapat dibuang di tepi pantai. Sampah adalah barang atau material yang tidak berguna. Akan tetapi ada juga yang beranggapan bila sampah dibuang di tepi pantai dapat mengganggu aktivitas masyarakat, mengganggu kesehatan, serta merusak lingkungan tepi pantai. Pada masyarakat yang masih peduli akan kebersihan memiliki beberapa bentuk partisipasi. Mereka berpartisipasi dalam penanggulangan sampah secara berkelompok dengan cara mengumpulkan sampah dari rumah ke rumah. Selain itu, ada partisipasi PNS di lingkungan Pemda pada hari tertentu dalam 1 minggu bergotong royong membersihkan sampah. Bentuk partisipasi lainnya adalah dengan mendirikan bank sampah. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.